but they're also making decisions about their environment in some way. They're deciding what is the most favorable for them in that particular condition. And in his world of mammalian biology, these multiple cells will be programmed depending on their conditions. They'll make decisions whether to heal something, or in development whether one is going to be an eye or a brain cell and so on. There is this real complex interaction, and it's not always clear what the right sort of interaction with those things is. If you want those cells to do a certain thing, you want them to produce a certain material or take a certain form, the question then becomes, how do you persuade them to do that? Because they have their own agency. It's not something like with an active material where you can define an input and output. The programmability of an agential material is completely different. And that's what's kind of exciting. So even working in a biological lab, as you will know, things often go wrong. In fact, mostly they go wrong. And part of the reason they go wrong is because the materials that you're working with have agency.
Yeah.
And you have to kind of understand that agency if you're going to work well with them. And then there's a kind of ethical layer on top of that, I think, which is to say that if something has agency, then maybe you need to have a conversation.